How to replace the faulty 12-slot station's motherboard. First, unplug the power cord, turn the station to the back and you will see 10 screws used. For fixing, use a 22 cm Phillips screwdriver to unscrew it, and pick up the shell to see the module and motherboard. Unscrew the 3 screws on the module, then gently remove them upwards. Then, unscrew the 16 screws on the motherboard. Take out the motor wires one by one. And then take out the speaker wire, backlight wire, and power bank indicator light strip cable. Pull apart the small black buckles on both sides to remove removing the faulty motherboard. Take out a new motherboard and install it. Put the screws back in place and connect the indicator light strip cable. Be sure to press back the buckles on both sides. Connect the speaker cable and backlight source cable, and then connect the motor cables in order. The white ones are on the outside, and the red ones are on the inside. Compact them. Install the module. Install the outer shell. And finally connect the power cable to use it normally.